Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to manage employees and freelancers in ClickUp. And in today's video, I will show you as quick as possible what you can do in ClickUp, how to manage them. So what I recommend you to do in the first step is go right here to Spaces and click here on the plus icon. Then we call this one, let's say employee and freelancers management. Oh, that's too long. Then we do just employees and freelancers, and then we do continue, and then we do starter, and then they're telling us 5 spaces are available in your current plan. So I have too much spaces right here, but I can show you for let's do YouTube right here how we can add a template to manage our freelancers and employees. So we create right here a new list, and then we call this employee. Then we do create, and then if you go to employee and we click here on the 3 dots, we can go right here to templates, and then we click on apply a template. And then what we're going to do right here is we search right here for team management. There we go. And then you will find right here a team management plan template. So now if you click right here on this template, you see exactly here a description and how it looks like. And if you now click here on use template and we call this one employee and freelancers. Now this should be in YouTube, so that is fine. We can import options or start a new dates if you want to do that. And then do you want to include archive tasks? No, that is fine for now. And then we click right here on use template. And then he's loading in the template right here. So now the template is standing on 0 to 70%. Then here is a little guide about how it works and how you can change, right here if you can see the board view or list view or drop downs, they tell you exactly what this template does. And if you now go right here to agenda by department, or go to agenda right here, or just go to board, you will find right here exactly what you need for your team. So play with all the options right here, but this is right now a nice template where you can manage your team from. So like to do, working on it, or stuck, or cancel, or complete. Now we have a calendar right here. You have also here a team option, but this is just for a upgraded version. And then right here, you will find exactly the stuff that you need to manage your team. So this is how you can manage your employees and freelancers in ClickUp. If you have any questions about how to manage them, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.